Find the gradients of these lines then. And what do these lines make with the x-axis? Well, firstly, the increase in y is 5 minus 2. So I'll label the gradient as m. 5 minus 2 is an increase of 3. That's the increase in y. Divided by the increase in x is 1. So the gradient is 3. The increase in y going from here to here would be this, take away that. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Divided by the increase in x, 0 minus minus 2 is 2. So we've got minus 2. And here, the increase in y, 4 minus 4 is 0. Over 3 minus minus 1 is 4. 0 over any number is 0. And here, m is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. Over 2 minus 2 is 0. So that's m is infinitely steep. It's a vertical line. If you were to mark these coordinates, you'd be able to see that clearly, that this is a flat line and this one's a vertical line. What angle does the nearest degree does each line make with the x-axis then? Well, shift tan 3. Shift tan 3, let's have a look at that. Shift tan of 3, 71.6 degrees. The next one is shift tan minus 2, but don't forget that's in the second quadrant and this calculator won't give us that. Remember, shift tan minus 2, I think that it will give us this angle here, whereas we actually want this angle. So you have to be careful about it. So if I just do shift tan 2 and then take it away from 180, and that will give us, then I'll check it. So shift tan of 2, 63, 180 minus that, 180 minus that angle will give us 116.6 degrees. And if you do a tan of that, you see, so if we do tan of that, you will get minus 2. So you can always double check that, yeah, that's correct, of course. So that's that one. A flat line, shift tan 0, is going to be 0 degrees. You can check that in the calculator if you want. Shift tan of 0 will give 0. And the infinite thing, well, you could do shift tan, I suppose. You can't do infinity, but you could do 10 to the power of, say, 100, which is a very large number, of course. If you wanted to just check the shift tan of infinity. Oh, it's interesting. Try that one. There we are, 90 degrees. The other number was far too big for the calculator. 89.99999. So the shift tan of infinity is 90 degrees. It's a vertical line.